Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Arshad. I am a master's student of food process engineering in IIT Kharagpur. This video which I am making will mainly focus on the hygiene practices that we need to focus in pandemic time like in corona time. So friends, here we'll look into the things that we need to focus to maintain our personal hygiene. Like these are the steps that we have to take while washing our hands. Like initially we should take soap as you can see in the slide. Then the second step should be rubbing hands with water. Then third step is the 6 stage hand rubbing process that I'll be explaining in the next slide. Then there comes the wash with water. That do mean after the 6 stage hand rubbing process, you need to wash your hands properly with the water so as to remove the germs and microorganisms present in your hand. Then hand drying with heat dryer or the tissue paper. Then apply the hand sanitizer so as to remove the so as to kill the germs that are present in your hand after washing process also. Now here in this slide we have shown the process of hand washing. Like you can see the 8 slides that are present in the single slide. The first one shows the initially how we should actually start the washing process. We should actually rub our palm to palm, then the second one between fingers, then back of the hands, then base of the thumb, then back of the fingers, then fingernails, then there comes the wrist, as because mainly we leave this portion, wrist portion, and this becomes the main root cause of the microorganism to come to our body, as we do not wash it frequently. Then there comes rinse and drying. Now I'm going to show you the hand washing process. Initially we should start it from palm to palm. We should initially take the soap in our hand, water, then start with palm to palm, rubbing palm with palm, then between fingers like this. Then there comes back of the nails like this, then thumb, base thumb, back of the fingers, this, then fingernails, then wrist, then you should wash it off and dry it. Now in this slide you are seeing when we should wash our hands. First, before and after handling or preparing any food items. Second, after sneezing, coughing, scratching any parts of our body. Third one, after handling a tissue or a handkerchief. Fourth one, after touching your face, hair, clothes, or any part of our body. Fifth one, after eating, drinking, and after breaks. Fifth one, after smoking, chewing gums, or chewing. Then sixth one, before putting gloves on or anytime you take gloves off. Then after cleaning, washing dishes or busying tables. Then before serving food beverages, setting or waiting tables. Then before and after handling raw meat, raw poultry, of other raw foods. Then after using the toilet, urinals, or anytime you visit the restroom, you should wash your hands properly by the steps shown in the earlier side, so as to avoid the contamination of the food materials that we are preparing in the food industry, or to avoid the pandemic disease such as COVID and other these all dangerous diseases. Thank you. So here comes the end of the video. Thank you for watching my video so patiently and actually bearing the this long video. Thank you so much. Thank you.